terrifying list of weird and unexplained things happening all over the U.S. this past week.
People were sleeping at 4 a.m. The first powerful 7.8 magnitude quake rocked southeastern Turkey and northern Syria.
Twelve sinkholes have opened up in Turkey.
It has happened again for the third day in a row and the fourth time in just 9 days. The United States has shot down an unidentified high-flying object.
Footage of the UFO shot down over Alaska.
An unidentified cylindrical object caused a fighter jet to malfunction as they came closer to shooting it down.
Black one.
Alien sighting in Australia.
Holy crap.